All right, everyone, welcome back to Time Flies By, and this is going to be a quick unboxing. So here we go. And as you guys can see, Timex Todd Snyder, and let's see what's inside. Wrist check. I got the Seiko Monster 4th gen. Let's open this guy up. Oh, and it's the military version. Nice. It's got that broad arrow just above the 6. It's a no date. And it's got the Arabics from 12 all the way around, 1 to 12, and then 13 to 24. That's nice. Got that military style strap from Timex. Obviously, it's just a case back, pop open case back, not screw down. 50 meters of water resist. Yeah, water resistant, 50 meters. And then right below the 6, Todd Snyder. Nice collaboration. I like these ones. Nice case back, side profile of the case. Let's check the case back now. And there's the spec sheet. It's probably going to be hard to see. Yeah, Todd Snyder, New York. Water resist, 50 meters, stainless steel. It's a really nice watch. Nice weight to it too. I'll get all the specifications when I do the full review. But for now, it's just a quick unboxing. And yeah, it's a really nice watch. Let's see how it's going to wear, how it's going to feel over the next week or so. And then I'll hit you guys back up with another video. Yeah, I love that red seconds hand. Looks like the hands are going to have some lume to it. I'm not sure about the rest of the watch. This one, unfortunately, doesn't feature the Indiglo. But it's a little bit more water resistant. Usually when there's an Indiglo feature, it's about 30 meters. But this one having 50 meters of water resistant, it's not going to have the Indigo push button crown. Yeah. Very military kind of inspired Dirty Dozen style watch. Very field military, and that's what I've been digging lately. So once again, we'll do the full review coming up, but I'm probably gonna wear this for a bit and just to get the feel of it. All right, guys, until the next one. Thank you. Take care.